Look at that. This is BALOS Beach and the wonderful BALOS Lagoon. Look at that color. I mean, this is breathtaking. And this is the fifth beach adventure from BALOS that I'm showing you right now. It is 21 degrees Celsius in the air. In the sea it's around 15 degrees, but it can be warmer at few parts because this is a lagoon. But the water comes from the sea and the waves were huge. And this is, I don't know, this is amazing and breathtaking. Look at that, look at that. So this is probably the best episode from BALOS. It is the fifth one, part 5. As I am now actually opposite from the main part of the beach and where not so many people are here, so you can have your own spot over here just for you. It's amazing. The downside is that you cannot swim here because it is too shallow, but I have found one pool over there that is a bit more deeper. But yeah, let's first enjoy this wonderful view from BALOS Beach as the sun is back now, full speed, so that's amazing. Yes, today is 24th of April 2024. It is 2:40 p.m. and I am still at BALOS Beach, and this is the fifth beach adventure. Let me know in the comments which one did you like the most, but I think this is going to be the best one because it's absolutely stunning and breathtaking indeed. And I can basically walk back to the other part of the beach from here, as it doesn't get any deeper than this. Amazing. I have no words to describe how I feel right now looking at this natural beauty. It's absolutely amazing. Words can't describe how happy I am right now, and that I am so blessed to be able to be here on this wonderful day. Pure white sand, crystal clear water, and at one point there in the lagoon it is sand again. Let's check out that as well. Woohoo! Amazing. Yes, so BALOS Beach is one of the best beaches on Crete Island, and Crete is the largest island in Greece and the fifth largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. And it definitely is something. From this lagoon you can have stunning views from this whole nature. And I can see also the boat. It's actually daily boat tours from Kissamos that will take you to Grambusa and then to BALOS. But then you will have half the time to enjoy here and in Grambusa. Grambusa is an island, so you can only get there by boat. But in BALOS you can come by car, by motorbike, by bicycle, or by legs, which I did. I was running actually and hiking from Kissamos, where I went to by bus from Aegean Marina. So from Kissamos it's around 13 kilometers, but the terrain it's very steep and uphill on the way here, but on the way back it's gonna be easier for me to run all the way. Now I'm like in the middle of the lagoon here. Sorry for that It's a fast transition from my trip here, but it's like amazing here how it is. It's so stunning, brilliant, amazing, and friendly indeed. Now let's find some deeper spot to take a swim while we enjoy this marvelous beauty. Because here I cannot swim, it is like 5 centimeters and I'm 184 centimeters tall. And how many kilos I weigh? Currently probably around 74, as I have done lots of walking and I don't eat that much when I'm on vacation because I'm always on the run. But yeah, I always tend to lose many kilos while I'm on vacation. Okay, now let's see if we can find some natural pool. Let's see, is it here deep enough? Oh, here it is nice for a swim. Yes, indeed. It's deep enough for a swim while we enjoy this beautiful view. All right, then let's go. Amazing, amazing. I mean, here this pool doesn't look that good, to be honest, but it's deep enough to take a swim. And here I can just lay down on the sand. As you can see, it's beautiful. Amazing. Yeah. So you can just lay on the sand and enjoy the water and the view. Look at that. This is my view right now at BALOS Beach. Amazing. Alright, that's a wrap from BALOS Beach, 5th part and 5th episode. I'm definitely gonna make a few more. Let's see how many. One at least more from the lagoon on the other side. But thank you so much for watching this amazing beach adventure from this Aegean beach. Let me know what you think about this beach and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Crete!